In this video, we'll show you 6 life hacks you need to know now. Mess-free frying. Love fried food, but hate having to clean up the oily mess? Not to worry. Simply line the inside of your air fryer with a sheet of aluminum foil. Fold and press down on the sides to create a container. After cooking, just toss the aluminum lining and wipe down for a mess-free cleanup. Easy tears. Sealing up some packages but no scissors around to cut the tape? Not to worry. Simply fold the tape over like so, hold the ends of the tape tight and give it a swift tug. Tears off easily with no issues. Easy air freshener. Have old magazines you need to toss? Before you put them out for recycling, make sure you cut and save the perfume sample strips. These are great for freshening up your drawers or cupboards, or really anywhere else around the house. Identify keys. Having trouble finding the right key? A little nail polish will do the trick. Use different colors to help color coordinate your keys so you can easily find the one you need. Save your soap. Hate having that tiny sliver of soap that's too small to lather but you don't want to waste? An easy solution is to add it to a new bar of soap. Give the new bar of soap a quick lather and press the tiny piece onto the new bar. It'll adhere completely once it dries. Save your cakes. Have leftover cake? Use plastic wrap to create a dome so it doesn't get smushed. Start rolling the plastic wrap along the bottom of the plate. Wrap at least once around the plate and cut off. Now holding the top end, simply twist to seal and create an air bubble. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.